Jimmy. Dr. Jim. What did they do with the, so you took that down?
Oh, that's all right. I turned my head, didn't I? I thought you already took it.
How did they do that?
There was a tree. Just trying to get out of the picture.
I'm not doing it again. Oh, I see. Okay.
What's that?
Luckily, there's a shop.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh, I gotta get the butt.
No, I got to turn the axle line at the
As
bolt.
soon as I slowed down, I went, oh, that's the place I took that motorhome. Remember the motorhome up there?
Oh, really? This is a bad town.
This town looks familiar because we've been here before.
Hey, Randy. Hey.
Get enough pictures. People taking pictures.
When I say I worked on Jack's car, there's going to be pictures to
There's
prove
going to
it.
be proof.
I want you to, you're the, what are you, the foreman?
All
Go
the
ahead, Jim. You're the foreman, do that
General
again.
Foreman. General Foreman.
General foreman right there.
What do you think, Jim?
The only thing
Jim, what do you think?
Elbows here.
I think it's broke.
Well, if all the pictures are done, I'm going to quit working.
Now that you got your picture taken, somebody else can do it. Huh?
Yeah, that's it.
It seemed like I was right there yesterday.